December 19th, 2013, Positive Energy Arts Foundation, with the support of Shipley Energy, presented a special holiday event for the 6th and 7th grade students of Marshall Middle School and Marshall Math Science Academy in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Driven by Positive Energy Arts Foundation's continued mission to provide an arts-driven catalyst for community change, and led by the legendary urban hip-hop group Peace and Ill Style, nearly 100 Harrisburg students were given the special opportunity to participate in a week-long enrichment experience created especially for them. The message? Positive action, environmental responsibility, community empowerment, and the power of the arts. Peace and Ill Style captivated students with dynamic teaching and energetic performances driven by music, interaction, and movement. The students of Marshall Middle School and Marshall Math Science Academy, two schools housed in the same building, put their rivalries aside and came together to participate in this unique two-part event. Santa Goes Green and Hip Hop Holiday were an out-loud success. Santa Goes Green left students thinking about caring for their community, the planet, and future generations, and Hip Hop Holiday had students, parents, and administrators on their feet dancing. The students of Marshall Middle School and Marshall Math Science Academy united through music and dance, and the friction between them dissolved through a shared experience. The result was proof that arts can bring people together, improve community relations, and create a positive message that changes the world, one step at a time.